Hey there, it's Jimmy here at True Homes. I'm always bringing you videos of new construction homes. Usually we're going in them when they're a lot further along than this one is, but I wanted to take this opportunity to give you kind of a sneak peek of what it looks like when a house is in the framing process. So let's go take a look at this one. Okay, so first off, this is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, a ranch home called the Shaw. And we're gonna be building a couple other homes next to it, as you can see from those building pads. Want to point out the work area here. So you got the lot. We're in Pageland, South Carolina, so it's actually sandy soil, which is very interesting. It's different from the clay that we're used to usually in the Carolinas, that red clay. All right, so this is the Shaw. This home is known for its large front porch. So you can see right here, the concrete has been poured for the driveway, the whole foundation for the home, the large front porch. And then right here, this is where the covered porch is gonna be. And as you walk into this home, you can see the OSB board, which is this right here, has been attached to the framing on the whole entire exterior of the home. And it's always pretty neat to walk into a home before the roof is on. So I'm very familiar with this floor plan, so I know what it's like. I know what every room is as I walk into it. But you can see the framing that's gone up. So far, we've got the concrete slab, we've got the framing, we've got the OSB board for the exterior walls, we've got the plumbing, the in-ground plumbing, the stubs that are coming out right there. And the next step, obviously, is going to be putting a roof on this home. So likely in a few days, there'll be a crew that'll come out here and all the trusses for the roof will be delivered, and they'll have a crane out here and they'll be putting the roof on top of this house, which is a really enjoyable process to watch. But everything is framed out. So we are in the main living space right there. You're gonna have 3 windows. There's gonna be a sliding glass door in that opening right there. This is where the kitchen sink is gonna go. So with this home, there's a pantry framed out right here. There's gonna be, the refrigerator is gonna go right here. And then you're gonna have counters. They kind of go here and then they go across this way on this wall. And yeah, this is gonna be where the sink will go. And actually, I might have been wrong. The refrigerator might be going over here on this wall right here. But the next step, like I said, is to put the roof on. So put the trusses, then they'll put the roof on. Once this house is fully enclosed, has doors on it and everything, then the next step is gonna be for the trades to come in. And by the trades, I'm talking about the HVAC, plumbing, and electrical. So the rest of the plumbing will go in, all the HVAC, ductwork will go in, all the electrical will go into this house as well. After that, it's insulation, then drywall, then all the pretty things come in, the flooring comes in, the counters, the cabinets, everything else. So it's a really fun process to watch a house being built. Thanks for watching this video. I know it's a little bit different than the ones I usually do when I walk inside these beautiful homes. Trust me, this is gonna be a beautiful home. It's gonna be, like I said, 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home called the Shaw. But I just want to give you a behind the scenes look of what a house looks like when it's just in the framing stage right now. So thanks for watching this one. We'll see you on a future video. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Take care.
Thanks for watching my daddy's video, guys.